We are now in the middle of fall, and that means that I can show you some fall outfit ideas. As I usually do, I'm gonna show you 2 weeks of realistic outfits out of my fall capsule wardrobe. But first, let me show you what I have in my closet in the first place. This is the upstairs wardrobe, and everything that you see in here is for fall and also for winter, because this time around I'm doing a 6-month capsule wardrobe. And then I also have heavy knits down below, and here is the dress that I'm wearing today. Then in my bottom drawer I have all of my jeans, my pants, my skirts, and my shorts. Everything is in here. It's just a little bit messy. And this is the downstairs closet. Everything from this point is mine. I have some sporty stuff, but then all of my coats and all of my blazers are in here. Then at a corner right there I have my black tote bag, and the rest of my handbags are in here. As for my shoes, I have the white sneakers in the corner. This shelf is my husband's, and then the top one is again mine, with all of the different booties and flats. And lastly, our accessories drawer. I have some scarves for my husband, but everything from here is mine. We also have gloves in here. We have some earmuffs, muffler, some extra bags, and that's the capsule wardrobe done. And now to my outfits. Today it's Monday and it's sunny and it's surprisingly warm, so what I decided to wear is a cashmere black dress. This one is just a little bit shorter, and then I also paired it with my polka dot tights. As you can see, these are the unbreakable tights that I love very much. Then I have the faux leather ankle booties with a little bit of the heel, and a red handbag to give just a little bit of pop of color. As for my jewelry, I went with everything rose gold. I have the hoops, I have the watch, and also the bangle. As for my outerwear, I'm wearing the faux fur coat that it's super warm and cozy, because even though it's warmer today, in the morning it's still very cold, and this one is perfect. I love how it looks when I wear it open, but then also when I close it, it looks super cool. And yeah, I'm pretty much wearing all black with a pop of red. And lastly, I also have my sunnies. So this is outfit number 1. And now it's Tuesday, and today was even warmer than yesterday. It was also sunny the entire day. So what I decided to wear is, first I have my medium wash skinny jeans, I have the white sneakers, then I have a very simple black tee with a black belt and loads of gold details and gold and silver watch. And then I have the cardigan that I recently added to my capsule wardrobe, because whenever it's sunny and dry, I love to wear lighter colors. And the same goes for my white wool coat. It looks so nice when it's sunny outside, and it also looks amazing with a cardigan underneath. And then lastly, to tie everything nicely together, I have my off-white pull-in bag, and this is look number 2. And now it's Wednesday. Today it's a lot cooler than yesterday, and it's also not sunny anymore, so I decided to bring some color in with my red turtleneck. This one is just a little bit sheer, so I have a nude cami underneath as well. And then I paired it with my faux leather mini skirt. I have my unbreakable polka dot tights again, and my leather over the knee boots that are flat and very comfortable. One of my favorite shoes ever. As for my jewelry, I just have the simple silver hoops, and I have the silver watch. That's it. And now for my accessories. First I have the tan scarf with red little hearts that it's so gorgeous. I personally love scarves, and my collection I'm obsessed with, you already know that. And I just love how scarves spice up the entire outfit and just give it a little bit more dimension. Then for my handbag, I added my red pull-in bag that is just a little bit deeper than the turtleneck. In person it looks really nice. On camera the difference, it's again a little bit bigger for some reason, but that's fine. And then lastly, what I'm wearing is my black wool coat that is super cozy, super warm, and again super stylish. And now it's already Friday, because yesterday I just wasn't feeling my best, so I was in my loungewear the entire day. And even today I'm not at 100%, but at least I wanted to put some effort in to maybe boost up my mood just a little bit. So what I'm wearing are my faux leather pants that, even though they look very high effort and stylish, they're one of my most comfortable pieces in my capsule wardrobe, so I can easily relax in them. Then I also have my black belt with a silver buckle for just a little bit of a detail. I have the very comfortable Ugg boots, and I have a very comfortable sparkly top that I got from my mom not too long ago. I also have a nude cami underneath for extra warmth. And lastly, I have loads of silver details with my earrings and a watch. That's it. As for my outerwear, I'm again wearing the black wool coat. It's one of my most worn coats ever. I think it's so stylish, it's so comfortable, and it's also warm. And then lastly, I added a pop of color with the new coral bag. This one I've been wearing on repeat, and I think it looks amazing, especially with the all black outfit. I love it. And now it's Saturday and I'm feeling much better, so I dressed accordingly. First, I have a pop of color with my orange top. This one is a little bit sheer, so you can see the nude cami underneath, so everything is nice and covered. But I just love this color so much, and I decided to pair it with my black white pants. These are very stylish, very comfy, and I love wearing them with white sneakers. And then to tie everything nicely together, I also have the black belt with the gold buckle. I have the gold earrings, the sunnies, and the silver and gold watch. Very simple again. As for my coat, here we go again. I have the black wool one because this one is so perfect in the transitional weather. I just keep wearing it all of the time. And then lastly, I added the colorful bag that I was wearing yesterday. And as you can see with the color, this one is coral, this one is orange. There is just a little bit of a difference, but it's not too bad. And I honestly think it looks really cool. If I go further back, you can see the color palette. I think it's amazing. And now it's Sunday, and as you can see, I'm in a different spot today. I'm actually at my mom's place because we're gonna do a wardrobe declutter. And if you're curious about that, I'm gonna share everything on Instagram, the before and after, so make sure to follow me there. But now of course I can show you the outfit of the day, and I'm gonna start with my outerwear first. I have the black wool coat again, surprise surprise. I have leather over the knee boots. These are very comfortable. And then for the first time, I'm wearing this huge bag that I just bought not too long ago, and it's so amazing. It's perfect for a day like today. And now for the main outfit, I wanted to be very comfy today, so I'm wearing the white button up, and then I also have the pink wool jumper. It's very cozy and very warm. And then I also paired everything with my thermal black leggings. These are kind of sporty leggings, but as you can see, I can easily dress them up. And yeah, if I go further back, this is the outfit of today. And now we're in week number 2. Today it's Monday, and it's one of those days when I've been pretty much working from home the entire day. I'm just chilling. In the morning I had to run some errands, but other than that, that's it. That's why I wanted to be super comfortable today, and I'm wearing this comfy white top with really unique sleeves. And then I have the new camel white pants. These are kind of a hybrid between sportwear and casual wear, and I think they look amazing, especially with the white sneakers. And I wore this combo before because I think it looks so amazing. I love the color palette, and then I also love how this white top ends at the perfect length, so I don't need to tuck anything in because these pants are really not tuckable. You can even see small details, so I try to put things on top, not in, if that makes sense. And then for my jewelry pieces, I just have these simple earrings and a nice little watch. That's it. As for my outerwear, again, I'm just repeating myself, but that's kind of what you get when you have a minimalist closet. So I have the black wool coat, I have this gorgeous tan scarf with red hearts, and lastly I added a pop of color with my coral handbag. I've been really enjoying wearing this one lately, and I think it looks amazing. And now it's Tuesday. It's another gorgeous sunny day. That's why I'm wearing everything in lighter colors today. First, I have the new hoodie in an ivory shade, and then for an extra layer of warmth, I have just the white tee underneath. As for my bottoms, I have my white stray jeans and white sneakers, so everything is matching. To spice everything up, I also have some jewelry pieces. I have the gold little hoops, and I have the silver and gold watch, and of course the sunnies. As for my outerwear, I'm finally out of my black wool coat, and today I'm wearing the ivory version. This one is the same warmth, and it's pretty similar style, and I think it looks amazing. And then lastly, I have the off-white choke bag from Poland that looks so nice with this color palette. As you can see, the shades are not matching perfectly, but that doesn't really bother me. I think it just adds a little bit more interest to the outfit. So this is the outfit of today. And also, before I forget, I wanted to ask you that if you're enjoying this video, that you give it a thumbs up, and also let me know which look is your favorite, because I always like to know that. And now it's Wednesday. It's another sunny day. I've just been really loving the weather this week. But what I decided to wear is something really comfortable, something really simple, but also very stylish. So I have the black turtleneck, I have my medium wash skinny jeans, and then I also have leather over the knee boots because I love the combination of the denim and the black. I think it looks super nice. And then I also added some details with my duotone earrings, and I have the duotone watch. And then for my coat, I'm wearing the faux fur coat today because it's super comfortable, and I love how it looks with this color palette. violet and I love the texture. It just gives a little bit more interest to the outfit. And then I also paired it with my tote bag. This one again has a nice texture, so it gives a little bit of the contrast to the outfit, and I think this one looks amazing as well. I keep saying that, but it's true. I love them all. And now it's Thursday, and today it's actually a bank holiday as well as tomorrow, so the outfits are gonna reflect that. But I'm still working from home today and I wanted to look and feel productive. That's why I'm wearing this lovely, gorgeous turquoise jumper that I know all of you love as much as I do. Then I also paired it with my green earrings and silver details because I think the combo is perfect. And then I also am wearing the Lost Cherry lipstick because I love the contrast. As for my bottoms, I'm wearing my black pants. I also added a belt with a silver buckle. And actually I wanted to try something new and I put my combat boots. These are a little bit higher, but I put them underneath because usually I just wear these pants with my sneakers. So I wanted to have another variation and I honestly think it looks amazing. And to tie everything nicely together, I also have the white scarf with some red details, so it matches my lipstick just a little bit. And then you can see it also goes nicely with the turquoise jumper, and if I go further back you can see the color of my shoes and the scarf are a perfect match. As for my coat, I'm wearing the black wool coat again that you've seen a million times already, and then I also wanted to add just a tote bag, a casual bag to this outfit because yeah, that's just the vibe that I'm in. So this is the final look. And now it's Friday, and like I said, today is another day where everything is closed. It's holiday, so again I'm very comfortable today, even more than yesterday. First I have the light gray turtleneck that it's very warm and very cozy, and then I paired it with my black thermal leggings that are even warmer, and lastly I have the combat boots that are also fleece inside, so very warm. All of this is super cozy and super warm. And then to spice everything up, I added some silver hoops, and then I also have a silver watch. As for my outerwear, I'm actually wearing a trench coat today because like I told you, everything I'm wearing underneath is super warm. And then I also added a layer with my scarf, and lastly, to tie everything nicely together, I added the off-white bag, and as you can see, this outfit is very comfortable, but at the same time it looks very stylish. I love it. Now if you want to see how my entire capsule wardrobe looks like for fall and winter 2024, then watch this video next. Thank you for watching today, and I will see you next time.